Samsung is stepping up its game in the mid-range smartphone market, and it looks like they're bringing some serious upgrades. The company has officially confirmed the launch of three new Galaxy A series phones, the A26, A36, and A56, on March 2, 2025. With so many mid-range options already available, what makes these models stand out? Let's break it down. One of the biggest surprises is Samsung's commitment to long-term software updates. These phones will ship with Android 15 and One UI 7, but what really sets them apart is the promise of 6 major operating system upgrades. If Samsung sticks to this plan, these devices could run on Android 21 in the future. That's a level of software support you rarely see in mid-range smartphones, making them a solid choice for anyone looking for a phone that won't feel outdated anytime soon. Now let's talk about the displays. The Galaxy has a 7-inch Super AMOLED screen, but it sticks with a U-shaped notch. While this design still offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, many users may have expected a punch-hole camera instead. On the other hand, the A36 and A56 come with a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and an in-display fingerprint scanner for a more premium feel. A higher refresh rate means scrolling animations will look much smoother, making the overall experience more enjoyable. When it comes to performance, Samsung is giving users two different chipsets. The Galaxy A36 runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, while the A56 is powered by Samsung's own Exynos 1580. Both processors are expected to handle everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking efficiently. However, some users might prefer Snapdragon for its better optimization and power efficiency in certain regions. Storage and memory options remain flexible, with 6GB or 8GB of RAM and choices of 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, allowing users to pick what suits them best. Battery life is another area where Samsung isn't making any compromises. Each of these phones packs a 5,000 mAh battery, which should easily last through a full day of use. They also support 45-watt fast charging, so you won't have to wait too long to power up. In a world where staying connected is more important than ever, quick charging is becoming an essential feature, and Samsung is making sure these phones deliver. Now, let's look at the cameras. All three models are rumored to feature a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, which helps capture sharper photos with less blur, especially in low light conditions. Reports also suggest a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, making it easier to capture group shots, landscapes, or wider scenes without having to step back. While the specs sound impressive, real-world performance will determine if these cameras can hold their own against other mid-range competitors. Overall, Samsung is bringing some exciting upgrades to its mid-range lineup, from long-term software support to high refresh rate displays and solid battery life. But one big question remains: how much will these phones cost? If Samsung prices them competitively, they could become some of the best mid-range options of 2025. However, if the price is too high, they might struggle to stand out in an already crowded market. So, do you think these upgrades make the Galaxy A26, A36, or A56 worth considering? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech. Samsung is gearing up to redefine innovation with its upcoming Galaxy S25 series, and the leaks are painting an exciting picture of what's to come. Imagine a smartphone designed to challenge boundaries, powered by cutting-edge technology and wrapped in sleek sophistication. That's the promise of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, a device that's already creating ripples before its official unveiling. Among the many surprises, one of the biggest shifts is Samsung's decision to pivot the Exynos 2500 chip away from the Galaxy S25 lineup and into the Galaxy Z Flip 7 foldables. This bold move highlights Samsung's confidence in its second-generation 3nm process, signaling a potential game-changer for the foldable market. That's just the tip of the iceberg. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has been at the center of a fascinating debate thanks to leaks about a new color option. A supposed blue shade has sparked confusion, with some saying it leans closer to gray. Fans are left speculating as the January Unpacked event inches closer. The lineup is expected to feature titanium-based colors, including black, gray, blue, and white silver, with blue rumored to be a standout. Whether it's a true showstopper or just a grayish tease, one thing is clear: Samsung's design game is stronger than ever, promising to turn heads in ways that only they can. Meanwhile, accessories for the Galaxy S25 series are already making waves. The brand, known for its bold and innovative designs, has opened pre-orders for its Galaxy S25 Ultra cases, featuring larger camera ring cutouts, a dedicated slot for the LED flashlight, and raised buttons for improved usability. These cases are more than just protection. They're a style statement. And with MagSafe charging integration and sleeker corners, the brand is setting a high bar for third-party accessories. Early glimpses suggest a design evolution, blending the familiar lines of the S24 series with bold new elements like thicker camera rings reminiscent of Samsung's foldable lineup. Charging is another area where Samsung seems ready to innovate. Rumors suggest the Galaxy S25 series might support Q2 wireless charging with magnetic power profile, aligning devices perfectly for faster and more efficient power delivery. If this feature debuts, it could revolutionize how we think about wireless charging, making it not just faster, but also more reliable. Samsung might even introduce magnetized cases to enhance this functionality, taking a page out of their playbook of blending hardware and ecosystem seamlessly. The most surprising twist comes with Samsung's processor strategy. Contrary to earlier speculation, all Galaxy S25 models will feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip instead of Samsung's Exynos 2500. This shift reflects Samsung's prioritization of performance and reliability, ensuring users get a consistent experience across the board. The Snapdragon 8 Elite isn't just powerful, it's a gamer's dream with features like frame interpolation and resolution upscaling that elevate gameplay. These enhancements promise smoother visuals, higher frame rates, and cooler temperatures, making the Galaxy S25 series a powerhouse for gaming enthusiasts. As anticipation builds, the timeline for the Galaxy S25 series is becoming clearer. The Unpacked event is set for January 22, 2025, with pre-orders opening shortly after on January 24. Early access starts on February 4, leading up to the global release on February 7. While the political climate in South Korea may lead to a price adjustment in the region, Samsung's focus on premium features like advanced artificial intelligence and refined design ensures these devices will stand tall in the premium smartphone market. From bold design choices and innovative accessories to groundbreaking performance features, the Galaxy S25 series is poised to make a lasting impact. Samsung's strategic moves, from shifting chips to refining wireless charging, showcase their relentless drive to stay ahead. So are you as excited as we are to see what Samsung has in store? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this sneak peek, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay tuned. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is almost here and excitement is reaching a fever pitch. The leaks are coming fast and furious, and from what we've seen so far, this phone is set to redefine what we expect from a flagship device. Today, we've got fresh details that might just blow your mind. A couple of renowned leakers, Ice Universe and EvLeaks, have shared a new image of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and let me tell you, it's not what you're expecting. This isn't just another minor update. It's a major design shift that could change everything. For years, Samsung's Ultra phones have been synonymous with sharp, angular edges. These bold lines were part of the brand's signature, making the phone stand out as a premium, high-performance device. However, feedback has suggested that the design, while visually striking, wasn't always the most comfortable to hold. The sharp corners could dig into your hands after prolonged use, and Samsung seems to have taken this feedback seriously. The leaked image reveals a radical departure from the past. Samsung is moving away from those harsh edges in favor of a more ergonomic, rounded design. The result? A phone that's still unmistakably a Samsung Galaxy device, but with a more comfortable and refined feel in hand. Don't worry though, this isn't a complete departure from what we know.